Hello everyone, my name is Sukran Karima. Today I want to share not only who I am today, but also who I hope to become in the future. This is not just about my identity, but about my journey, my dream, and the way continuous learning and growing every day. I believe I am person who is still learning to become better every day. Today I see myself as someone who is responsibility, curious, and willing to improve. I enjoy learning new things and skills that can help my future career and personal growth. For me, life is continuous process of learning, adapting, and become stronger. 5 years from now, I hope to become successful and professional person in my career field. I want to improve not only academical but also personality and social. One of my biggest goal is to speak English more confident because English is an important skill in the global world. I also hope to have a stable career, continue development of my ability, and make my family proud. Besides career success, I want to become someone who can inspire others, help people around me, and continuous learning throughout the life. When learning English, I have several strengths. First, I'm motivated to learn and never give up easily. I like listening to English song, watches moving movie, and learning new vocabulary. However, I also have weakness. Sometimes I feel nervous when speak English because I'm afraid of making mistake. Pronunciation and grammar can also be challenge me. But I understand that mistakes are part of learning. Because of that, I continue practically little by little to improve my confidence and communication skill. My learning strategy depends on my personal learning style. I learning better through visual and practical method. For example, I watch English video with subtitle, listen to podcast and music, practice speaking in front of mirror, and read new vocabulary in notes. To manage my time, I try to create a weekly schedule. From Monday to Friday, I focus study, assignment, and English practice. On weekday, on weekend, I review, listen, relax, spend time with family, and prepare to the next week. Time management is important because it helps me stay disciplined and avoid procrastination. I learned that being busy does not always mean being productive. Productive activity are activity to help me grow and reach my goal. Example, study, practice English, exercising, reading, or learning new skill. Meanwhile, busy activity are activity that only consume time without giving meaningful result. Example, scrolling social media too long, procrastination, or doing things without clear priority. Now I try to focus more on productive habit so I can become better version of myself. In conclusion, who I am today is still work on progress, and who I will become depend on the choice and habit I put every day. I know I still have many weakness, but I also have a dream, motivation, and willingness to keep improving. Social media is a big part of daily life. I use it for communication, entertainment, and learning information. However, I realize that social media can be helpful or harmful depending on how we use it. Sometimes I spend too much time scrolling video or checking update. Because of that, I create several digital rules of myself. For example, I avoid using social media while studying. I follow education and positive content more than negative content. I also try to compare my life with other people online. This rule help me stay focused and protect my health mental. Both online and offline networking are important, but they are different in many ways. Online networking is faster and more practical than offline networking. However, online networking is usually more personal and stronger because we can communicate directly face to face. Online communication is more flexible, but offline interaction is often more meaningful. For me, online networking is useful to build connection quickly, when offline networking is better for create trust and deeper relationship. One real decision I often face in choosing between studying and entertainment. After a long day, I sometimes want to watch movie, play game, or spend time on social media instead of studying. But I know I must manage my priority and carefully. If I spend too much more if I spend too much time or on entertainment, I will not finish my assignment on time. If I study consistently every day, I will feel less stress before exam. This decision teach me that discipline is important for achieve long-term goal. As a student, manage money is very important because students usually do not have much income. Every month, I try to make simple budget. I spend a lot of money on food, transportation, internet, or study needs. I spend on a little money on unnecessary shopping because I want to save more. Sometimes there are money unexpected expense, expenses, so I try to keep some emergency savings. For example, around 15% of my money goes to daily need, and 20% is saving for emergency or future plans. I believe good financial habit can help me become more independent and responsible. In conclusion, making smart decisions as a student means think carefully about how we use our time, money, and technology. Every small decision, every small decision can affect our future. That is why I try balance study, social life, entertainment, and personal growth wisely. I know I still have a lot to learn, but I believe good habit and good choice will help me become a better person in the future. Thank you for watching.